In this guide, I'm gonna answer a common question: how to delete your Fantasy Premier League team. Maybe you joined by mistake or you are not happy with your squad, so let's clear up how it actually works. When you create a Fantasy Premier League team, it stays active for the season. Unfortunately, FPL does not allow you to fully delete your team once the season has begun. There is no delete team button inside the app or website. If you simply don't want to play anymore, you can stop managing your team and ignore it. It will remain in the system until the end of the season. If you joined a mini league by mistake, you can leave the league anytime by going to Fantasy tab. Navigate to the section Leagues and Cups, select the league, then click on Leave League. The only way to start fresh is to wait until the next FPL season, when registration opens again. That's when you can create a brand new team from scratch. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys are clear whether you can delete FPL team or not. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.